What's up, guys? So this is part 2 of the restoration. I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of the curb rash, repolish your lip, and pretty much have it ready just to prep for paint. Hope you guys enjoy. So this one's pretty heavy rash all the way around, just like the other one. So I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. Alright guys, so you should try to start with the, sorry for the fireworks, 4th of July right now. So usually start probably the wrong day to film. Just remove the big. So you want to start with the 220 grit, sorry for the fireworks. So you want to go ahead and get started with the 220 grit. This is enough to remove the scuffs and the rash around the rim, and then you move your way up. You go up to a 400, 600, 800, and then you go to the final ones, which is 1,000 and 1,500 grids. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stop at 1,500 and show you guys how it's done. Alright guys, so once you go ahead and finish that off, the 220 grid, make sure you guys just double check your work. Once you go higher grid and you see some scuffs, you guys start all the way down just to remove that. So make sure you guys take your time, be patient. If you guys know me, I have zero patience, but slowly but surely I've been getting that back. So you can see here, I don't know the camera's gonna catch up these pits right here because they're pretty deep. I'm not gonna go chase them because I don't want to leave a big old indentation on them. So I'm just leaving them alone. Like I said, these are not new wheels, these are old wheels, but I'm just trying to refurbish them as best as I can. So with that said, let's go on with the next grid. Alright, so we're gonna stop right there and show you guys where I'm at. Just finished the 800 grid. With that said, looks pretty smooth so far. Let me see if the camera catches it a little bit. From what it was before to what it is now, it's day and night. I still have 2 more grids, which is 1,000 and 1,500 left. Let me get right to it. So we're moving on to 1,000 right now. This one, you should probably see some shine off it already. Last one is 1,500, and this is right before I polish.
flexible payments on USAA insurance balances. One of the ways we're here to help.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it with this. This is a 1500. I'm gonna just wipe it down and then apply mother's compound. Quick, is this a cone. It's a mother's cone. My electrical driller here. Attach it, apply a little bit of compound, and get to work. Sorry guys, 4th of July. Wipe a little bit. Any dust, any leftover sanding that might be there, just remove that really quick. This is what I'm using, it's just quick Mother's Magnet aluminum polish. Works just fine. So let's go ahead and apply it. Just directly to the lip. I'll do half of it. I'm not sure the camera's capturing this, but it's pretty good to me. What it was to what it is now. Alright, let's go ahead and finish the other side. The other side, please. Sorry. That bit. So let me show you how it looks. What do you guys think? I haven't touched the inside of the barrels as the lip, as you can see. That's for I'll go later. Same step, guys. Go ahead and start with the 200, 220, 400, work your way up to 1500. And if you want, just hit 2000, 25. Go the extra mile just to see that nice reflection off the rims. But as far as the lip goes, this is it, guys. As you can tell, it just takes a couple minutes, maybe 30, 40 minutes with the right equipment. You do have a grinder, that helps a lot. By hand, forget it, it'll take a long time. I'm not saying you can't do it by hand, but if you have a grinder or a palm sander or anything like that, go ahead and use it. Power tools are the best things. They are your best friends, guys. Well, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys.